let's see if you guys can do this one here. I've got a bag of sweets, and inside this bag there are 4 orange flavored sweets, 19 strawberry flavored, and 7 apple flavored. Now I'm going to eat 3 sweets at random. One, two, three. What is for the first question is what is the probability of me not eating any strawberry flavored sweets? So it could be apple, orange, or whatever. No strawberry involved. Okay. Question two: what is the probability of me of these 3 sweets having the same flavor? So strawberry, 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 or apple, apple, apple. Well, yeah, all 3 having the same flavor. And question 3: only only eating flavored only eaten apple flavored sweets. Okay, yeah, try and work out these 3 probabilities. Um, you could draw a map of all the things that could happen. Okay, so for example, you're here. You could pick an orange one. Well, what's the probability of an orange? Well, it would be, well, 4, and there are how many sweets altogether? 30 sweets altogether. This and this is 11 plus this would be 30. Okay, there are 30 sweets altogether. So you could draw a map of all the things that could happen. So, for example, you getting an orange would be what was it? 4 out of 30. Okay, 4 out of 30. And then this here's your first sweet. This here's your second sweet. Suppose you've just eaten an orange one. What is the probability of you getting another orange? Well, it will be 3 out of 29. Okay, what's the probability of you getting another orange? It would be 2 out of 28, and so on. And then suppose you've headed down this route here. So you are here, you get an orange. What is the probability of you getting a strawberry? Well, strawberry would be 19 out of 29, because you've just picked out one orange here. My point is, you could try and answer all these questions by drawing a map of all the things that could happen. But sometimes you can take a shortcut. So, for example, okay, to answer this first one, you could draw a map of all the things that could happen. So, 1, 2, 3, and then 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 here you've got 1, 2, 3 coming out, 1, 2, 3 coming out. But that is quite tedious. If they're asking not eating any strawberry, maybe you could merge it like this. Uh, Normally you would have 3, but rather than having 3, we could just have 2: strawberry and not strawberry. And then on your second sweet, you could have strawberry, not strawberry. And then not strawberry, strawberry, not strawberry. Well, you want to know not eating any strawberry. So, well, so here, well, what's the probability of you getting a strawberry? It would be 19 out of 30. Probability of you not getting a strawberry would be 11, blah, 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 blah. And then well, anyway, do what you have to do. Work out, yeah, work out this one here first, all right, and then unpause it, and then later on I will ask you to pause this one, to pause on this one, and then, well, anyway, just concentrate on getting this first one done. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so maybe not eat. Well, I'm going to eat 3 sweets at random. What is the probability of me not eating any strawberry flavored sweet? Well, I would draw the diagram like this: strawberry, not strawberry. Okay, so well, strawberry would be 19 out of 30. This one here, not strawberry, would be 11 out of 30. Now, I could go down here, but I don't really care because I want not strawberry again. Well, not strawberry would be 12, would be 10 would be 10 out of 29. And I could get another branch here, but I don't really care about these branches. So, well, I only care about not strawberry, not strawberry, not strawberry. Okay. Well, another not strawberry would be 9 out of 28. Okay. So, probability of not strawberry, not strawberry, and not strawberry would be this and this and this. So 11 over 30 times 10 over 29 times 9 over 28. Okay, and then maybe jump to a calculator. Top times top. So hang on, calculator. Clear this. 11 times 10 times 9 equals 990, and then get 30 times, hang on, clear, 30 times 29 times 28 equals 243 60. So this would be your answer. Maybe convert it to a decimal, so it's easier to see. Hang on, 990 divided by 24360 equals 0.04. So this would be your probability of not having any strawberry. Okay. Let's tackle question 2 now. All sweets being the same flavor. So again, you could draw a whole map here, but sometimes you can take a shortcut. So here, all sweets being the same flavor. Well, 1, 2, 3. In this scenario here, you have to visualize 3 flavors. So orange, because last time we just had strawberry and not strawberry, but here you may have to have 3 flavor here. So here, this one here, this one here, this one here, and then you have another 3. But the thing is, it can be complicated, but really you're only interested in probability of orange, orange, orange. Probability of S, S, and S. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. And A, A, A. And then maybe add these. Well, basically, what I'm trying to say is you only care about this branch, and this branch. So what you could draw the whole map, but that's quite hard. Well, it's not hard, but it's just tedious. So jump to a shortcut. Sometimes when you do probability, just draw a map, just to get a rough idea of what's going on, and then jump to this thing here. So this thing here, you only need to know 3 branches. Well, anyway, press pause and have a go. Try and work out the second one. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so the second one, same flavor. So well, let's just draw a rough idea. So that we just get a general idea of what's going on. Well, we need probability of orange, orange, orange. Okay, so probability of orange would be okay, we need to draw a rough map. Hang on. Orange here, strawberry, apple here. Probability of you getting an orange would be 4 out of 30. Probability of you getting another orange would be 3 out of 29. Probability of you getting another orange after that would be 2 out of 28. Okay, so probability of orange, orange, orange equals 4 over 30 times 3 over 29 times 2 over 28. Okay, now we need probability of strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. So that would be, well, strawberry would be 19 out of what? 14 out of 30. Sorry, 19 out of 30, and then probability of you getting a strawberry again would be 18 out of 30, and then a strawberry after that again would be 17 out of 29. 30, 20, 28, sorry. This is 29, sorry. This is 28. Okay, so it would be, so probability of strawberry, strawberry, strawberry would be 19 out of 30 times 18 out of 29 times 17 out of 28. Now the probability of you getting apple, apple, apple would be, well, probability of you getting an apple would be 7 out of 30. And then another apple would be 6 out of 29. And then another apple would be 5 out of 28. So it would be this. What is it? 7 over 30 times 6 out of 29 times 5 out of 28. And then well, jump to a calculator, work out what this is, and what this is, and then add all three together. Okay, that will then give you the answer to question 2, and then question 3. Only eaten apple flavored. Only apple. So basically, you need probability of apple, apple, and apple. But we just worked it out earlier. Only eaten apple flavored sweets. So yeah, so that means it's just apple, apple, apple. So yeah, use the same technique as earlier. So you only care about A, and then another A. Okay, so yeah, work it out from there. Okay.